is from Sketchbox. It's the monochromatic mixed media grab bag. So this just came out. It is, I'm just trying to feel it. It's not super heavy, but it's not light. It's kind of medium weight, I guess. Let's see. Oh, I got pink. Yay. Oh, and the bag's pink. I wonder if anybody got this. I wonder if they got different colors. So, ooh, yay. I love these. It's always full of good stuff. There's a Sketchbox sticker. Everything's pink. Because the bag was pink in the advertisement, so I'm imagining everybody's getting pink, but maybe not. How fun. So we got this paper. This is hot press watercolor, 100% cotton. This, it says, I don't know how to pronounce that. Bougainvillea? I'll have to look it up.
Bougainvillea.
Bougainvillea. I wasn't too far off. Bougainvillea. So I'm assuming it's red. It sounds like it's, oh, it's red. It sounds like it's green. I don't know. It's like, what's that color? Chartreuse. I think that's one of those Mandela effect things where people always think it's pink, and I always thought it was pink too. And we got, let's get all the pink stuff. So then we got a Pantone Royal Talons alcohol marker. This is like a pointy brush-like tip and a stupid chisel tip that nobody uses. Oh, okay. Polychromos Faber-Castell Magenta. Colored pencil. Copica Dark Rose. I don't like these. I've made that clear. Fine liner. Zebra Sarasa Fine Liner. So like a little micron, but it's pink. This is a good one. I like the pink. I think I have one of these. Just a brush tip. Oh, it's a small brush tip too. I like it. And it's got pink ink in it. This is another alcohol brush. Marvi Uchida, and it's pink. Color Erase. Okay, these are colored pencils that you can erase by Prismacolor. Aqua Drops. So this is liquid watercolor. You know, pretty like, what color do they have here? Does it say? Magenta. It says right there. There's a lot of stuff in here. Copic Multiliner 0.5 with a pink tip. With pink. Turner. Is it Turner? It's Holbein. Oh, okay. It looks like Turner. Ooh, that's pretty. Gouache, acrylic gouache. This lovely thing. Pigment, I love these. My favorite. So these are Caron Real Brush Pigment, and they're acrylic markers with a really nice brush tip. This looks like copperish. Golden Rose watercolor. Pearlescent colors. Didn't say watercolor, but I'm sure that's what it is. And we get a brush. Tri-wedge. This is one of those odd ones. Wow, this is a good box. There's always good stuff in here. What did I tell you how much it cost? $34.99, and there was $6.20 for shipping, so $41.19. All right, let's try some of this out. Even though this is 100% cotton, it's hot press, so it's not my favorite. So I'll use it for testing. Oh, I love these. Gorgeous color. Color is rose pink. Acrylic, okay. There must be some kind of holder for these because they have a little thing to snap it in, but I only have this one, so. Ooh, it's pretty. It's very sparkly. So that's rose gold. shake that up a little. Oh, this is Schminke. I don't think I've ever tried these before. I've seen them, but I just haven't tried them. Ooh, pretty. Luckily, I like pink. So this is the... Oh, it's very bright. I don't like that color pink. But, yeah, it feels a little bit dry, too. Now we gotta sharpen this. I'll sharpen it with my little hamster cage. Uh-oh. There's a little more in there. I gotta sharpen more pencils, I guess. I don't use these much. I think I've had one or two, but... And they don't erase that well, do they? But, well, it's a pink colored pencil. All right, let's see this. Put that over there. This is the acrylic gouache. Ooh, it's very pretty. So I'm gonna come up with something pink to do, I guess. Let's see. This is the Copic multi-liner. So this is a 0.5 and this is deep pink is the color. Does it say the size? I don't see the size. Looks a tiny bit thinner than the other one. And slightly darker, but not that you'd notice. The Pantone, nice color. Very juicy too. This is the Polychromos. Oh, these are nice. They have a nice oily feel to them. Oh, they do smudge a bit. Those are nice. This, I guess I'll open it. So, if you haven't had these before, you unscrew it and you take the yellow thing out and put it back. And then it pops it. So the ink will come out. And you squeeze it a little. Oh, okay, there we go. Ooh, pretty. This is a good box. This is the Acrea. It's not that the paint's bad, it's I don't like these tips. These are those plastic tips, so they just catch and they spit, and I can't stand them. It's very pretty paint. It's a very nice acrylic paint. I don't like the tips. I wish they were brush pens. And, oh, let's try this. And my water's a little icky, but let's put that down. Ooh. And this is like the dried powder, so you can make it, you can just add water to it and make it like a watercolor. You can kind of sprinkle it to get that kind of weird design. So, oh my God, I'm so happy. I love all these things, so that's good. So what I will do is go away, do a speed paint, and I'll come back and talk about everything. And I gotta come up with something pink to do. Why is that sparkly? Oh, I must have still had sparkle in that from that, because I was like, this is really sparkly. Okay, all right, I'll be back. Done. I wanted to use everything in the box, so I did. A little bit weird. This is the picture I used like as a reference. Again, I forget where I saw it. It was just recently though, so maybe it's on here. It looks like it was on a shopping site. Oh, anthropology.com. And it was a picture. This is the full picture. But I just wanted to do the face. I cut the paper down because it was a little bit too long. I forget how, maybe cut off about 1.5 inches or so. All right, so what did I use? So I used, where's that little thing? This watercolor for the skin tone. And I saw this, I was on, I don't know where I was, some site that had art supplies, and I happened to see this sitting there, and I went, oh, and it's like $10 a piece, these. Because I noticed the container, and I thought, oh, you know, maybe I'll get something to hold it in. And I was like, oh God, those are expensive. So I didn't want to buy any more, and I didn't want to buy the container, but I'll probably keep the paint because it is pretty. And I like the way it works. Okay, so there was that. The brush was, what did I do with the brush? Oh, I didn't particularly, it was kind of not very useful for this. I tried to use like the fine tip over here, but I just couldn't, because it's a triangle brush and it's odd. So I ended up pulling out my old Escher, ghetto Escher, that's taped together in 16 different spots because I like it. It's a nice, I needed a round brush to do a lot of this, so I used it, but you know, not a great deal. Let's see, trying to keep everything separate. For the hair, I used that this stuff, the powder. So I just mostly put down water and shook it in, which is kind of cool. It's always a cool effect. I always like those. Let's see. For the eyes, I think I used this one, the alcohol marker, for her eyes and for the cat's eyes. What did I use this for? I think I used this for the lips. This is the Aqua Drop. Just fine, but it's, I don't know what I would do with one color, but it's liquid watercolor. It's nothing spectacular. I have these other ones I just bought. Oh, I can't think of the name of the place. Alta New or something like that, and they're really nice. So I bought a set of those. So I don't know. I'm not really a fan of Schminke lately. So, oh, so I originally drew it out with this. I hate this. This is the Prismacolor Color Erase, and it's probably just this paper, but you cannot erase it. Maybe if you do it on like really smooth, kind of non-porous paper. I don't know, but I mean, it draws well enough. It's just, I don't know. I don't particularly like it. Not my thing. But I outlined with this, which was the Faber-Castell Polychroma. So these are kind of nice. Those are a nice colored pencil. I don't need any more colored pencils, but those are nice. Let's see, I used this. I love these. This is the acrylic real brush by Karen. I used it on his nose. I used it on the earring. Yeah, I just love these. This is another, what did I use this on? Oh, I used this on the, well, I used two things on this, didn't I? I can't remember now. It looks like I used this. Oh, what did I use for the background then? Oh, I used this one. Okay, I used, this is the, I think this is water-based pink brush pen for the shirt. And then I used this to do the designs and a little bit of shadow. Okay, I'm trying to remember everything. This was the, I hate these. I used this on the nose and something else, I think. I can't remember, but I know I used it on the, oh, I know, I did the outlining, like the fur color on the cat, fur texture on the cat. This was the acrylic gouache. It's a game trying to figure out what I used this on. I think I used it for the, that's this. So I used it for some shadow on the cat, and I think I used it on the ears. That. These two are very similar, so I used one of them, I think this one, to do kind of around here, the hair, and this one around the eyes, like the shadow on the eyes. I think I ended up using this most just for definition to get, you know, a stronger line in the entire thing. So yeah, I mean, it came out okay. This is a little bit uneven and it was hard to get a lot of shadow, so I ended up using this to draw like little crosshatch shadow afterwards. So yeah. So I don't really get into alcohol markers, so not my favorite thing. Acrylic gouache is fine. I have some, do I have Holbein? I think so, but it's not in this container. Huh, okay. It's puzzling me. These are fine, Copic, and fine liners. I do not like this. This is good. This is the polychromos one. I love this. Love this. Hate this. Not any big deal about the brushes. It's okay for what it's worth. This is good. Those sparkly ones. This is fine. This is cool. This is cool. So I liked a little less than half, I suppose. Maybe like a quarter of the items I really liked. So I've got like 1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah, maybe a third I liked. So yeah, that's it. That is and the paper was fine. What was it, hot press? Yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's, you know, it didn't buckle or anything, but I didn't use a lot of water except up here, so yeah, there you go. So that's I finally got this done. I've been putting it off for some reason. I just haven't felt like drawing or doing anything. It's been hot, so I've been kind of avoiding doing much of anything. So I don't know. I want to put this up on Friday. I'm still waiting for stuff from Etcher, so I'm probably going to just throw that in between when I get it, just because I'm probably not going to do anything with it. I might just open it and throw it up there, depending on when it comes. It's not anywhere near me yet. So I've got a May mystery pack, and I've got the Surface Edition mystery pack coming. They're in the mail. So we'll see. So anyway, if you don't see this Friday, no, you'll see this Friday. You'll see this Friday. I'll do this Friday. Okay, because I've been promising it for like 3 weeks. So, okay. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye. Or maybe before then.